Well, welcome to another edition of Motor Cars Enthusiasts. Right off the bat on today's show, Tesla back in the news. And you'd think now that Elon Musk doesn't have control over the Twitter account, and Tesla would probably be a little bit better at controlling some of their, well, stuff going on inside of the media. Well, apparently that isn't the case, at least not as of yet, because they got in a little bit of a fight with the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. The story goes like this. Basically, Tesla put up a car on offer for their crash test ratings, and the car did amazing. It flew through in flying colors and got a 5-star crash test rating, the highest rating the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration actually puts out. But in a blog post, Tesla actually put out that the Tesla Model 3 was the safest car you could buy with a perfect score, the highest rating for any automobile on the planet, which got the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration back involved, where they said, listen, they can't use words like highest or perfect or anything like that because 5-star is as high as our crash test ratings go. There are a lot of 5-star crash tested vehicles out there that are on for offer that you can buy from a number of manufacturers. Tesla doesn't have the safest car in the world. Now, sticking with Tesla and with the Model 3, the situation with the tax breaks are rapidly approaching their end. There was a tax break here in the United States where you can get X amount of dollars off of your brand new machine in a tax break at the end of the year if you buy an EV vehicle. Well, the trick is there's only 200,000 on offer, and Tesla's already reached that particular plateau. But they are still offering these tax breaks through year's end. Now Tesla's made a promise. If you order a brand new Model 3 by October 15th of 2018, which is actually only in about 24 hours time from the taping of this particular program, but you will get not only the tax break, but you will get your car by year's end. So apparently the manufacturing deal is really working well now, and hopefully this is the best time, I'm assuming, to actually own a Model 3. If you want to buy one, you better buy. Strike where the iron is hot. Next up on the list, Porsche showing off this brand new vehicle. This is the new 911 Targa Exclusive Manufacturer's Edition. Now, this particular vehicle comes with a bunch of exclusive stuff. In fact, this is the only way this thing comes, including gray metallic exterior with a lot of gold and silver accents all over the machine, along with a soft brown top, soft brown interior with gold accents as well, and a lot of exclusive manufacturer edition badging along with for the ride. It comes with these wheels that are white satin with gold accents. They came right off of the RS Spider Edition. The vehicle comes with a 3-liter twin-turbocharged flat-six, making 443 horsepower and 405 pounds-feet of torque. 0 to 60 numbers come in just 3.7 seconds with a top speed of 190 miles an hour. Now, Porsche hasn't released how exclusive this exclusive manufacturer edition is actually going to be, but we have got official pricing on this vehicle, and it will have a starting price of 187,961 euros, or a somewhat price of a little under 100 or 218,000 US dollars. Now, there is a trick. If you got a big shine for this particular vehicle, sadly it's only available in Germany, so hopefully we'll get a little bit more information about just how many of these they're going to build, hopefully coming up very, very soon. Also, sticking with Porsche for a tad bit, they had a nice little sit-down with the folks over at Motor Authority and some very good news. You know, the autonomous climate is rapidly approaching us with a bunch of autonomous vehicles that are going to be on offer very soon, and Porsche is not going to be exempt from the autonomous bandwagon. In fact, they are already working on their own Level 3 autonomous and Level 5 autonomous, which is fully controlled in the future. But they are claiming, at least this is according to one Klaus Zellman, who is the head of the Americas for the Porsche manufacturing company, and that is that always, and from here on forth, even with Level 5 vehicles, they're always going to have controls inside of the vehicles. All the controls that you'd want to, if you want to take over, you know, Porsche's kind of that vehicle that you just really want to drive rather than to be driven in. So it will always have controls for as long as folks want them. even to the point where they claim, or he claims, that they will always have a manual transmission for as long as the need arises for their customers, which is fantastic news with all these manufacturers killing off manual transmissions left and right, even though there is a lot of manual vehicles out there right now that you can buy as we speak. But at least Porsche is looking off into the future, saying that manual transmission will be a part of their lives as long as all of us scream loudly enough. Last up on the list, McLaren showing off this mysterious teaser image of their brand new, in the Ultimate Series, their Speedtail. This thing's supposed to be pretty fantastic. Talking about over 1,000 horsepower, the possibility of it eclipsing the iconic McLaren F1 in top speed as well. But we really haven't seen a whole lot out of this vehicle, and we really don't know a whole lot more, other than we do have a date on our hands. October 26th of 2018, 106, I want to call them lucky folks, well, they're basically buying one of these machines, are going to get an exclusive look at this brand new machine. Now, all of us on the outside looking in aren't going to have to feel too bad about this, because right after they show those lucky folks, they're going to show us. It's going to have an exclusive live stream, 8 a.m. Eastern Time, here in the United States on McLaren's website. We'll get our first look at the brand new Speedtail, and hopefully a lot more information about it as well. And that's all there was that I thought was worth talking about for this edition of Motor Cars Enthusiast. Don't forget to like us over on the Facebook page. Links down in the show notes. Also, if you'd like to subscribe to the channel, you can do so at any time and get the first dibs on the brand new shows as soon as they come out. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again real soon.